problem, the first thing you have to do is to identify your what? Your equation. Now, solution. You have to identify the given equations. Now we have 7e minus 3f is equal to 8. That is equation. We have 5e minus 3f 4. Equation 2. Now when you see this one now, having identified the two given equations, you can tell me which of the variable do you want to eliminate? F, because that one will be so more easy for us to eliminate than E. So in that case, having had the same coefficient, but also the same sign. So what you just have to do now is to subtract. Are you getting what I'm saying? You have to, so either you subtract equation 1 from equation 2 or equation 2 from equation 1. Now subtract equation 1 and equation 2 from equation 1. Now we have this now. That means we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. That is 7e minus 5e. This one will be minus 3 from equation 1. That is minus 3f, Abi, is equal to 8, Abi, minus what? 4. Now this will give you what? 2e. This will be plus 0, Abi. This will be what? 4. So that is 2e is equal to 4. Now we have 2e is equal to 4. Are you getting me? So divide both sides by 2. So we have 2e over 2 is equal to 4 over 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here. Now, so having known the value for e, you can use any of the above equation to find your what? Your f. So which equation will you prefer? Let's use equation 2. Abi? Yes. So putting e in equation 2. Are you getting me? Meanwhile, our e is equal to 2. What's our equation 2? We have 5e minus. Now from here, substitute your e here. 5 into 2 minus 3f is equal to 10. 5 times 2. Rearrange, Abi. Minus 3f is equal to 4 minus and 3f minus 6. Divide both by minus 3. So we are having minus 3 by minus 3 over minus 3. This will cancel this. F will become minus cancel minus 3 here, 1, 3 here. Now, therefore, our EF will become 2 comma, and that is the final answer. Now, so also, if you like, you can check maybe what you have done is correct. Just look for any of the equations, substitute the value for E and F. You will see that what you are going to have will be equivalent to each other. Your left answer will be equivalent to your right answer, and that means that your values are correct. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. That is Online. Omile Akonde on Facebook. On YouTube. That is Omile Online Math. Subscribe, comment, share, like, and if you have any problem you want to share, go to other comments. Like whatever you have in mind. So that is that about that one. I wish you best. God bless you. Thank you very much.